but we already on the way to new adventures.
The next adventure, it's barely sunset.
Yeah. So, how do you feel yourself? Are you ready?
We'll see. We're going to a high altitude, 4,700 meters.
Yeah, yeah. So let's check what it will be. Our first stop is abandoned place, abandoned railway station.
Yeah, this is some old town that was used by some miners, and it has been abandoned for years. And these houses, check out those houses. They like, what is this material? It's like clay and a stone. Very interesting. It's like, it's not even clay. It's just like ground. Oh my god. Yeah, I think, you know, like in Italy, there is a program in Sicily where you can buy a house for $1. I think they should start a program like this here. Natasha, would you live with me in that house for $1?
Yes, I am ready to live with you in any place.
Too bad there is no internet,
To be
so
together.
it's gonna be very difficult to work.
I will walk with alpacas. I want to try this, as I told you. It's like silent hill. Whew. Let's go to the next stop. It was a hard way. It was a long way, but it was very expensive to go by train. Is this train by 6,000 euros? So we decided to go. И ты мой сладкий. Ой, ты такой сладкий. Привет, привет. Hello, hello, little Vasi. Oh, oh, so cute. You're so cute. So guys, it's our next stop, and we are drinking Coca tea.
Putting on sunscreen.
Sergey is putting sunscreen because we are very high. Yeah, and the sun in Peru in general very strong, and you should keep yourself very careful with it. And
and we're going to right now at 4,000 meters, so it's
4,000 meters high.
yeah.
So without Coca,
No
life
Coca,
no Coca.
no vivo.
No Coca, no viva. Cheers.
Cheers.
Saying hello from Peru. Yes, put likes, subscribe on us, subscribe on us. This is amazing canyon.
Puruña.
Puruña?
Yeah. Puruña stone forest.
Stone forest.
Yes, as you can see, it's erosion.
Uh-huh.
You told me. All these parts, sometimes it's possible to find a small animal that looks like a mix of a squirrel and a rabbit. But it's the color is gray, a little bit. It's small, like this one. And sometimes we can find them over the stones because they are looking for the getting hot with the sun.
Yeah, I think that Peru will never stop wondering us because this place is amazing. It's mind blowing. It's a little bit like Cappadocia, but not the same. And the view is more how to say complicated. Is it possible to say because
Yes,
many different things.
Rich view.
Rich, yeah.
Yeah, this place it's called Stone Forest, and it's a natural formation, and it's done through erosion. And as you can see, like show. There is a river, and there are very strong winds in this area, so they kind of erode softer, uh, softer land, softer ground, and this is what happens. And it's huge. The guy told us that it's like we're gonna visit a day maybe for like an hour, but you can actually, if you want to see the whole canyon, the whole forest, the stone forest, you have to walk for the whole day.
And there is like a dog.
There is a dog.
Yeah, where is it? In the camera. Yeah, stone like a dog.
Mm.
And he also told me that we can find here different sculptures, things for imagination. Let's go to the next.
Yeah, vamos.
And how long we drive here for? 2 hours, right? Or
Yeah, like about 2 hours, I would guess.
And we should pay for the entrance to this place.
Yeah, the entrance is 20, 10, no, 5, sorry, 5 soles, 5 soles per person. So 20 for 2 parks.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, and it's I'm not sure if we're gonna go there, probably not, but there is a beautiful river there. Like I would love to go, like if
And swim.
yeah, and swim. Unfortunately, yeah, like the road here was very bumpy. The driver obviously knew the road, but I would not risk driving here myself in my
Car.
non 4x4 off-road truck or something like that.
Look at this. It's looking really incredible. How it's possible?
Yeah, it's very, very unique place. So many colors.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's safe to say that we like this place, and we recommend if you stay in Arequipa, you should definitely come here. And another thing that we like about this this particular tour is that it's not very rushed.
Yes.
Like we had other tours in Arequipa, and it all felt kind of rushed. But here it just it's so relaxed, and they allow you to wander around.
I think it's really, I can't believe. And there is a lot of energy.
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yes.
I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Whoa. Oh, this road is not
This is
very
tricky.
comfortable.
Yeah.
You think this road?
Yeah, like this way is, I think it's fine.
Oh my god. This is fine.
No, this way.
Okay. So I will stop to make the best video of you. Sergey, I think that everybody looked at us and checked how we did this road from this hole.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky.
And it's possible to fall down there.
You can just keep rolling and
like
until the river. Look, and there are like palms on the bottom. Oh my god. Like in this area there are no palms. Are those palms? Maybe. Yeah, but look at this beauty. This is unbelievable. Can you count all the colors you see in this shot? this is the second stop on today's tour. And this is Cataratas de Pillone. This is a waterfall, very beautiful, and we're about to get down.
It's very beautiful, but our guide said us that we should be very careful, and I will show you the road to this waterfall.
Yeah, it's
Guys, check.
very dangerous.
It's just there.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
Very beautiful. But we'll see how it goes.
Don't do our mistake and don't come in Crocs.
Yeah. Crocs are not the best for this.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it's gonna be fine.
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Guys, I should show you this way. My God, I can't imagine how we do this.
It's just this section.
Oh my God. I'm
okay.
a little bit afraid of the high places. Aww. Okay, let's do this.
Oof.
Oh my God. It was really scary.
Yeah, one of the scariest getting down to waterfall.
Especially when you're in rocks. It's good advertisement.
What?
Реклама.
Advertisement.
For Crocs.
It's a beautiful place. I wouldn't mind spending the whole day here, just sitting and whatever, eating.
Picnic with me.
Yeah, making barbecue.
Bacon alpacas.
Yeah, bacon alpacas.
And drinking wine.
Yeah.
I really want to swim.
Oh, look, people here. They were actually doing some.
It was not first idea of you.
Yes. Okay, let me check the water. Ooh.
Cold?
Yeah, it's like barely freezing, almost freezing.
It's a long way up, so we need to be freeze and fresh.
Yeah, another tip for people who want to do this: get something that you don't mind getting dirty.
It was your best jeans, right?
My only jeans. Yeah, but it should be fine. Yeah, but yeah, just keep in mind.
It's really beautiful. Yes. And now again, the road of devil road.
I think it looks worse than it is, especially when you're going up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's.
I'm not sure. Whew.
So I finally got back to the restaurant where we started this morning, more or less, where we had our breakfast and Coca tea. And check out this view. Apparently, that's what you're looking at. This is actually Mistian, and it looks so huge from Arequipa because it is huge, and it looks small here because we are so high.
It's like 1 kilometer, right?
Yeah, just like from here to the summit of Misti is 1 kilometer, so it's not that bad. And yeah, this area is just unbelievable, and the trip itself.
Yes, and now we can relax.
Okay, so yeah, the tour is over. Now it's a very long way.
We began at 6.
1 hour, 1.5 hour back to Arequipa, and let's share our opinion.
Yeah, we began at 6 and now it's around 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yes.
Now we have.
Okay, we have.
Gracias.
Food.
Oh, Gracias.
Oh, muchas gracias.
It's a hot soup.
That's exactly what we need.
Yeah, and Inca Fall, it's more better than cocoa leaves.
Yeah.
It's like a.
This is the official Drago that's actually legal.
So we want to share a few points about this excursion. It's really wonderful, and you should take it. You should use it. You should enjoy it.
Yeah, this tour is unique. I liked it. The first tour was
oh my god.
Rock forest. What was it called? Like,
yeah.
Yeah, rock mountain forest. It's a nice place to visit. Highly recommended. The issue is that if you not taking any tours and you're driving by yourself, make sure that your car is equipped for off-road, because the road there is pretty tough. And other than that, it's a beautiful place. You can visit even if you located in Arequipa, just as a day trip. Why not? The second trip, Waterfall, Pillone, unbelievable, very interesting, very beautiful. The issue is that you have to be strong. You have to actually climb, literally climb. Like you have to use a rope and you have to pull yourself by the rope when you're getting down and getting up to the waterfall. But other than that, it's pretty good. So
yeah, you should first have sunscreen.
Yeah, a lot of sunscreen.
Have a coat, hot coat. Need a hat. Need a good shoes for climbing, because it's really very important for your secure.
Yeah.
And what else? Yeah, I think it's the main point.
Yeah, but it's very nice experience, and highly recommended. Yeah, and now it's time to eat and then time to sleep. And
on the way home, I think I will sleep.
That's a nice chicken soup.
Yeah. So chin chin, guys. Thanks that you.
Oh my god, this soup is like the best soup ever.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks that you.
Yeah, thank you guys for being with us, and subscribe, like and subscribe if you'd like more tips about where to travel, how to travel, what to do in certain places. So yeah, muchas gracias, amigos.
Mm. Mm. Mm.